I can't give my heart a break. You take my breath away. You know the right words to say. You made me find love again. The way you put it on me feels so right. I need you, I can't lie. I want you right by my side till the end of time.
Being with you, it's like my heart skips a beat. And when you in
Hi guys, today I'll be doing a U-part crochet wig and I'll be using the oval part crochet wig cap. This is how the cap is looking. It has two combs on either side, a comb in the middle and a comb at the back. This is how the wig cap is looking on the wig head. The hair I'll be using is Cuban twist 16-inch double strand style, and this is from Amazon, guys. This is how the hair strand looks. I separate each strand in two. I'll begin from the nape and I'll be doing the normal crochet method. This hair is bulky, so you want to space the hair as wide as possible apart because you don't want, when you're finished guys, you have a mop. It's best when you're finished you can go back and fill in where you need to fill in.
tryna do, babe. This time with you, I don't wanna lose it.
I know you hear this many times. You bring joy to my life. Can't do this without you. You shine through my gray skies. Like a light, boy, you made me feel so nice. I'm on cloud nine.
Girl, you know that I would do anything for you. Pick you up, you know I can't leave you down, babe. Rolling up, I'm trying to get high like we out of space. Cause ain't no one in the way.
I
we
get
got
high on you. So what we gonna do? I get high on you.
Now we're at the top of the hair, so you want to use smaller pieces of hair.
You were everything to me. Words and memories always dead. They don't capture what you mean. You gave me what I am chasing. All my pain wants us to be together. All my love tells you rest forever. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a
Here you have the finished crochet look. Next I'll be moving on to curling the hair, and I'll be using this Revlon 2-in-1 dryer brush. It has 3 settings: full, low, and high. I'll be using both the low and the high to give me my desired look.
leaving me. Dreams and memories are fading.
I begin blowing the hair from the hand towards the roots.
All my pain wants you to be present. All my stay in heaven. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky.
The low setting on the brush gives you that blowout texture look, while the high gives you a straighter look. So keep that in mind, guys.
No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels around you
It's my first time using this 2-in-1 brush, and I must say this is the bomb.com. What did I say? The bomb.com. Guys, if you don't have this brush, you gotta go and get it, guys. I'll leave the link in the description down below, and this is not a sponsored video. Here you have the finished look, and I am in love with this hair. I can't wait to install this hair. If you want to see how I install this U-part crochet wig, stay tuned for my next video, guys. If you like this video, guys, go ahead and leave your girl a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, you've made it this far, guys, go ahead and subscribe and click that bell button down below so you'll be the first to notify when I post a video. Bye!
Being with you, I can give my heart a break. You take my breath away. You know the right words to say. You made me find love again. The way you put it on me feels so right. I need you, I can't lie. I want you right by my side.